Transportation is also a big part of what we do. We also spend dollars on our buses and our white fleet that transports students and staff around. Every year we look at our list of how many buses we have, and over time, as they run hundreds of thousands of miles a year, these buses need to be weeded out over time as they start to break down. So the bond helps support that. Well, over time, we end up replacing our buses. Every other year, we add a couple more, and the bond is an integral part of paying for those purchases. As you know, I put a lot of activities on social media, and two items that were bond related that happened this summer was the water tower at New River. We had to replace it, and so if you follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, you'd see pictures of us putting a new water tower up there so the New River School would have consistent water source. Another big project that happened this summer was a brand new bus barn at Desert Mountain. It's on the backside of the school, and that will allow our northern buses to not have to come all the way down to Deer Valley and get their oils changed, their tire changed, the little things that we can do up there up north. And so it'll make us more efficient. It'll also take less people time because we'll be able to take care of the services up north. And we're really excited about how that will make us a more efficient operation. We've talked a lot about the bond issues and what the things that are around it. That's really about things that you can see, the physical structures in our district.